Rejoice, you heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, heaven exalts. Jesus Christ, our King, is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
Rejoice, you heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, heaven exalt. Jesus Christ, our King, is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
Rejoice, O earth, in shining splendor, radiant in the brightness of your King. For Christ has conquered, glory fills you, darkness vanishes forever. Rejoice, O Mother Church, exalt in glory, the risen one shines upon you. Let this place resound with joy, echoing the mighty song of all God's people.
Rejoice, you heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, heaven exalt. Jesus Christ, our King, is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
The Lord be with you. Lift up your hearts.
Lift them up to the Lord.
Let us give thanks to the Lord our God.
His right and just.
Let us praise the unseen God, the all-powerful Father, and His only Son, our Lord Jesus Christ. For Christ has ransomed us with His blood, paid to the Father the price of Adam's sin. This is our Passover feast, when Christ the Lamb is slain. In His blood He consecrates the home of all believers.
Rejoice, you
Heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels,
heaven exalt. Jesus Christ, the King, is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
This is the night when you save our fathers, the people of Israel. You free them from their slavery and let them dry shut through the sea. This is the night when Christians are washed clean of sin and freed from all defilement. We are then restored to grace and grow together in holiness. This is the night when Jesus Christ broke the chains of death and rose triumphant from the grave.
Rejoice, you heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, heaven exalt. Jesus Christ, the King, is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
Father, how wonderfully care for us, how boundless your merciful love. Just to ransom a slave, you gave away your Son. Oh, happy thought! Oh, happy thought! Blessed necessary sin of Adam, which gained for us our Redeemer. The power of this holy night dispels all evil, washes guilt away, restores lost innocence, bring mourners joy. I truly blessed, for heaven is wedded to earth, and the man is reconciled with God.
Rejoice, heavenly powers, sing choirs of angels, heaven exalt. Jesus Christ, the King is risen, trumpets resound, salvation is won.
Therefore, Holy Father, in the joy of this night, receive our evening sacrifice of praise, the Church's solemn offering. Accept this Easter candle, may it dispel the darkness of this night. May the morning star that never sets find this flame still burning. Christ the morning star came back from the dead and shed his peaceful light on all humanity. Your Son who lives and reigns forever and ever.